Hey, Andy Farmer here, MarineMax Wrightsville Beach. Want to do a quick video for you on this Scout 175 Sport Dorado. It's a year model 2020. See if you can see that on the film. Anyway, Yamaha 90 horsepower, 4-stroke motor, stainless steel prop, Lenco trim tabs, boarding ladder, swim platform, transducer for Garmin, 6-inch display. Take the cover off real quick for you. Nice unit. I've got that unit on one of my boats. It works very well. See if you can see that. A little over 100 hours, 101 hours. Stainless steel wheel. That noise you hear is the Lenco trim tabs automatically retracting. Got 2 jump seats in the back, battery switch, single battery, Fusion stereo on the boat. It's a loaded 175. As you can tell, I got the bend top poles right in the photo there. Got a couple lounge seats with storage underneath. Very nice aluminum single axle magic tilt trailer that is included in the price. Don't see any kind of marks, scuffs, dings on the hull. Shot of these seats here. Boat is bottom painted, but it's in great shape. Storage there. Guys, nice little boat. Andy Farmer, MarineMax Wrightsville Beach. Call us at 910-264-4818 if you have any questions about this or any of our other listings. Thanks for taking the time to view the video.